Canada's up to some crazy stuff again. Thales, a Toronto-based hardware company, took the weights of the Llama 3.1 billion parameter open source model and etched it directly into the silicon of their HC1 chip. Now, this gave it 20 times the efficiency in terms of token throughput compared to even the top-of-the-line NVIDIA GPUs. Now, while this is impressive, I think this may be a bit overkill, given how quickly these models evolve. Especially when you have a new version of a model come out with a architectural change. For example, when Mixture of Experts architecture came out, then these chips are going to become obsolete real quick. In other news, I am so happy people are talking about red-green test-driven development in agentic engineering. Vibe coding is only vibey when you don't have a strict logical contract between you and the agent that is writing the code for you. And that contract is crystal clear when you have the agent write the tests for you. You take a look at the test and be like, that is exactly the behavior I want, and then you allow the agent to write the implementation. In other news, Google continues to have amazing products, but horrible rollout strategies. Google has banned a large number of anti-gravity accounts for users who have taken anti-gravity API keys and hooked it up to OpenClaw. If none of that made sense to you, let me break it down in English. Antigravity is Google's AI-first vibe coding platform, and OpenClaw is an agent orchestration tool which takes an API and uses it to do massive amounts of unchecked, unmetered work. This is giving similar vibes to when Google messed up the launch for image generation, allowing users to get the races of the founding fathers wrong. Anyway, I think Google should have programmatically limited the scope of its API use instead of surprise banning users who are trying to use their API keys with an open source tool. This has been Tea with Ree. Obviously, I'm not drinking tea today because it's Ramadan, but I'll see you on the next one.